Well, got the cat motor loaded. Time to take her to the scrap yard. Yeah, I'd say that's a load, all right. Oh.
I gotta have some sort of fucking normality in your life? Rules or something in my life, yeah. The only time I didn't have that was when I went to the Croatian sometimes when I went to Mexico. Yeah, I guess, yeah. No, I'm no, you're right. They're here for a while. Like the other day that we went to.
Well, made it to the scrap yard. And bomb some stuff out of the trailer. Put it in with the excavator. I'll run a chain through the starter hole and then just tip it up slowly and then pick her straight up. Are you just gonna grab the motor itself?
No, it's
Pinch on. Yeah, I gotta check it. I'm in the mud here, in the poodle. Do you want me to put it on the eye hook? Ah, okay. looking good. I drained all the oil out of it. I drained all the oil out of it. Might as well just climb in there. Thanks. Oh, look at all the lifters. That's got it.
Good.
Yeah, off to the dump.
Pay first.
Well, it was a good scrap run. Success. Okay, get out of the rain. Sierra. Oh, fucking mess over there.
Yeah.
156 bucks.
That's it, eh? I thought you'd get more than that.
180 bucks a ton. 180 a ton. I had 1 3/4 ton, or 3/4 of a ton, I should say. 1,700 pounds. So. Snacks.
Want them now?
Yeah, I might as well fire the barbecue up.
You cooking the prawns too?
Oh, maybe a couple.
Huh?
Maybe a couple.
Oh, it's
Marshall won't eat them. Prawns.
Oh, you like prawns?
Okay. What's going on here? Are we out of gas? No. Well, this one's got gas in it. I don't know why I can't fucking light. There we go.
So, all she wants to do is stand out there and look up the driveway. That's why I had to open the door. No, because she just wants to sit and look at if I'm not doing anything, like right now, it's the door now. Because now there's people here. But if it's just me and her, all she does is look at the driveway. That's why I like the door too. Straight help, come here. Sierra! Come on. She already flipped them over.
I already flipped them. I just did it. A smaller size. They're only like 15. Not even $20.
They're probably done. Depending on your heat.
Yeah, we'll leave them on it to cool down.
Camera ready?
Oh,
Did I miss?
yeah, you're short. Oh, Marcel got his in there.
That's one.
I was being very quick. I wasn't even trying. I was just like, all right. That's gonna fall over and hit the dog.
Go, Ronnie.
You do know your Tahoe's right there, right?
Yeah, it is.
I watched it.
Anyway, Mama, I'll give you a call later.
Well, we know where to get wood from now on, I guess, eh?
Where?
Steve? Let's go up to Steve and load up the truck with fucking bring with the chainsaws.
Yeah.
It's summer in here.
I know, that's what, and you're wearing a coat. And 2 pairs of pants. It's 22 degrees in here. Shorts weather.
Hey, just let them cool down a bit and they'll be done.
Is it off? Yeah.
Yep.
She's unzipped. She hasn't quite got to the no coat situation yet. Nobody cares. Except for you. Actually, I was gonna say something.